Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and Apt just started carrying the iBuyPower PCs, and we've got the SnowBlind here that we're going to unbox for you. This is a really cool product. We saw it at CES this past year, and it's got a very unique case to it. It's got basically an LED screen on the case. So we're going to unbox this, take a look and see what comes with it, and just tell you a little bit about the computer itself. So first things first, we're going to cut through the tape on the top here and kind of just see what's on the top of the box, and then we'll get the tower out of there for you to look at as well. So nice, real heavy styrofoam there on the top, so when it does ship, it's going to come well packaged, and apparently all the accessories are located towards the bottom. So I'm going to slide this off the table here. We'll take the tower out and kind of show you everything that comes with it. It is not a light computer, so just be aware of that. Actually, start off on the side here, since this was pretty accessible. We've got paperwork, thank you for buying your computer, motherboard, Z370 booklet here. We've got, what do we have? A DVI, DP mail to DVI mail, 1-foot cable there. So we get a little bit of software with this, another DVI to DVI cable, a little 0.3 meters, so a little short DVI cable, and a power cord. So that's it for that package. Oh, I guess ours was kind of open on the side here. There's also a little zipper on the top there. And we've also got the Zeus E2 mouse. Okay, so we get a wired gaming mouse. Got a nice feel to it. It looks like it's RGB. Yeah, from the sides here, it's got some lights built in as well. So that's a nice feeling mouse. It's on the lighter side, but looks nice, feels nice. So set that off here. And we've got our gaming keyboard. Take that out here. Quiet, nice quiet keys on this one, so you're not going to be waking up your neighbors with the keys. So you've got it's color coded, so that's kind of cool for gaming, knowing where the keys are that you need to hit. And I think lastly here is the tower, so we're going to try and take this out. And we'll set it sideways so you can actually see the screen on there. And more on the front. So we've got some information here. This is kind of to read before you turn on your system, so that gives you some details on the screen here on the side. You do want to be careful moving this around because this is fairly delicate. And that's pretty much it for it. I mean, it's a great looking computer. Take this off so you can see a little better. We've got USBs on the top here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Headphone connection, microphone connection, power button, and on the back we've got the rest of the inputs and outputs. Take a look at that too. But otherwise, it's a cool looking tower. It kind of looks like a stormtrooper a little bit. But that's the iBuyPower SnowBlind, and we'll be doing another kind of a follow-up video to go through a little more of the details on this one. But as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe so you get updates every time we post new content.